dropship from Aliexpress to Daraz. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to dropship from your Aliexpress account to Daraz. Are you just starting your dropshipping journey and don't know where to start? Or are you just unsure which suppliers can give you the best price and the best material that you're looking for? And do you have any questions about where to launch your dropshipping business and all about that? So you don't have to worry about any of that sort, because in this video I will going to answer all those questions while telling you about how you can dropship from Aliexpress to your Daraz. So for that, you need to open the sellercentral.daraz.pk.com. Daraz is basically an online marketplace that connects buyers and sellers in South Asia, including Bangladesh, Pakistan, Sri Lanka and Nepal. The company has founded in 2015 and was acquired by Alibaba Group in 2018. Daraz offers a wide range of products including books, consumer electronics, fashion and general merchandise, and it works with over 5 lakh sellers. Daraz aims to improve the shopping experience for South Asian users and also help brands and small medium enterprises to grow their businesses. So basically Daraz is a application based out of Pakistan, which has been acquired by Alibaba in the recent past years. And in order to start your dropshipping, you need to first go to the sellercentral.daraz.com, and where you have to log in and create your account in order to become a seller. And you also need to have an Aliexpress account where you will source your products basically. So just come to the aliexpress.com. And Aliexpress, as you all know, is one of the world's largest e-commerce platform based in the world's largest e-commerce market in China. It has wide product selection, competitive price and worldwide shipping. So firstly, there are millions of products that you can choose from Aliexpress for the sell at competitive price, and you can earn some profit out of it as well. So in order to start your dropshipping from Aliexpress to your Daraz account, you need to start the product research solution with the Dropshipping Center. This is the tool that analyzes Aliexpress products and rank them by sales volume, rating and sales performance. Similarly, you can also use Autodis Winning Products Hub. So you can search for them in Google, and then you can search and start researching for the products that you would want to sell from your Aliexpress account to your Daraz. And you have to find the bestseller products in the Aliexpress website itself. So for that, I have a little trick for you. So you can go to the super deal section in the Aliexpress account, and over here you can find out the deals and the prices or the product that people are currently buying the most, which are very competitive at price. And you can see that how many products have been sold out in this particular categories. And if you don't want to explore this one, you can come back and explore the new section over here, in which you will get all the products that are newly launched in the aliexpress.com, which you can select and get the best deals out of here, because basically the new items that has been launched on Aliexpress has the most demand in the market. So you can select from that as well. And you can also select category wise, so you can click on all categories, and you can see that there are so many different categories and categories under subcategories. And so if you are looking for home and garden, hair extension wings, men clothing accessories, consumer electronics, home appliances, automobile, language bags, shoes and other options. So for example, you want to list some shoes on your Daraz website in order to sell them, so you can come to this shoe section over here. And after that, just explore the category over here, and you can also use some filters like sneakers, flat sandals and other options, and just select the category or the product that you would want to sell on your Daraz website. And after that, just select the one that you would like the most. And after that, all you have to do is just simply get to the product over here and right click on the product and just save the image of this particular product, because you will need it later on. And once you have selected the product and you have done all your research and you are sure that this product will be sold out in your Daraz website when you create your store, then you have to click on buy now. And before clicking buy now, you have to talk to the seller for this particular product right here. And once you start talking to the seller will let you know the price, the quality, color, variety and sizes available in this particular shoe right here. So you just have to make the decision accordingly that how much inventory do you will need in order to get started. So for example, you will need at least 1000 inventory for the initial listing for on your Daraz website. So you can get the different sizes in those 1000 articles on the shoes, so you can place the order accordingly. And once you have placed the order for the inventory that you are going to get from your Aliexpress account, then you can also go ahead and explore different categories, because you should have at least 2 or 3 categories or niche in which you are dealing with, because otherwise the competition is huge, and if you don't look for different categories, you might lose out on the opportunity. So make sure that you have at least 3 to 4 categories listed for you, so that you get more attention, and you have the potential to sell more product and get more benefit out of it. And after that, once you have selected the categories, did your product research, and you have the inventory with you, and you have talked to the sellers, and you have done everything that is required for you to get started with your drop shipping from your Aliexpress to your Daraz. So after that, all you have to do is just simply come back to your Daraz official website, and over here just simply create your profile. Just enter your number right here. I'm creating the one right in front of you. You can also use your so if you don't have the account, just simply click on create a new account, and it will open up a window for you right here. And over here just simply enter the phone number as per your country or your location. And once you enter your phone number, an OTP will be sent onto your contact, so you have to just simply enter that OTP over here. And once you have done the registration, you can reach out to millions of customers on Daraz in Pakistan and most visited shoppers on destination. And this registration in the Daraz website as a seller is also free. So account registration and listing items are sales for free, so you don't have to pay anything for that. It has very reliable shipping options, so you can use fast, reliable and hassle-free delivery through the Daraz logistic network. And it has also given you the option to do timely payments, so funds are safely deposited directly to your bank account on a weekly basis as per your sales. So if your sales are more, then you will get a repayment weekly, and if your sales are lesser, then you might get payment monthly. So it really depends on how much you are making as a seller on Daraz. And there are also marketing tools, so you can find new customers and grow more with the advertising and our whole range of marketing tools. So you can use that as well, which are inbuilt in the Daraz. And there is also a support and training team, so you can learn all about e-commerce for free and get helps with seller support and Daraz University if you want to. So in the 5 steps, you can create your account. First you have to sign up for free, then you have to add your profile and information, then complete your profile by providing your email address and store name so that he can get identified in the Daraz as a seller. And then you have to enter your address details of your business, and then just simply enter your ID and your business related details, including necessary bank information for payments and other things. And then once you have set up your account, then you have to start adding products to your store through Sales Center. Start selling as soon as your products go live, and then you have to go through the quality control as well. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to drop ship from Aliexpress to Daraz. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.